Just 12 years old, my daddy set me on his knee.
Out here in the beautiful Yarra Glen, guys, at the Stones, they call this venue. We've got a 65 Chrysler Valiant here. Same owner since 1985. Passed down to the next generation, restored to its glory. This red, funnily enough, is home to the Holden Commodore VL. See if that looks familiar. It looks absolutely stunning. This has been fully restored, so there's a 4-litre 6-cylinder 5-speed manual in this, where the original for these particular models had a 3.7-litre 6-cylinder and a 3-speed manual. This has been upgraded, so that's pretty cool. It's flawless, guys. It's absolutely stunning. It sounds great. Really nice mags. The paintwork's fantastic. The interior is great, as you can see it here. Lot to love about this. Kind of just takes you back in time to another era where we had a different appreciation for these sorts of cars and driving experience, the sound, the handling. You just feel at one with the roads. Very impressive in here, guys. I quote the owner saying that this is far from standard. We've got the washer container there, we've got the oil catch can, lots of various other fittings. Just doesn't look like your standard Valiant, does it? Which is very cool, very cool. And I'll show you at the rear of the car as well, even underneath, you can see got some aftermarket suspension, which is, you know, something to note. Really cool. Drop tank as well. That's why it sits so nicely there at the back.